what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Maria, at welcome sa Kodernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe, like, and share button para may updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kodernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is Psychological View of Self. This is my lesson. Ito yung pinag-aralan namin sa first year ng psychology, noong first year kami, first sem. And before namin mapag-aralan yung psychological view of self, meron mo ng philosophical view about self. And ito yung mga Greeks na mostly kina-question yung curiosity and question to self. Yan sina Socrates, sila Plato, yan yung sina Immanuel Kant, René Descartes, John Locke, David Hume, Gilbert Ryle, Merleau-Ponty, and may mga Christian view of self pa, and many more. So, but for today, I will focus sa psychological view of self because it's very common and mas maganda yung dito muna tayo focus kasi ito yung pinaka sometimes complex doon sa iba. So, welcome students and viewers. So, sa mga college students dyan or sa mga planong mag-college, sa mga planong mag-psychology or yung mag-enter ng college, so, ma-encounter nyo talaga yung understanding the self. So, start na natin. So, psychological view of self. Sigmund Freud argued that personality is formed through conflicts among three fundamental structures of human mind: the ego, the id, the ego, and superego. So, kung Humes kayo, so ma-encounter nyo to, yung id, ego, and superego. And ano ba yung mga examples niya? Before, nung grade 11 ako, I was really confused what's the difference between the three. But, ngayong nag-college ako and nag-psychology ako, I really understand what's the difference between id, ego, and superego, and ano yung life situations na ma-encounter natin or masasabi natin na itong id ang gumana, yung ego yung gumana, or yung superego ang gumana. So, ito, next. Freud asserts that the human psyche, or yung human psyche means personality, is structured into three parts. These structures all develop at different stages in a present systems and not physical part of the brain. So, ayan. Although each part composes unique features and contributions to an individual's behavior, they interact to form a whole. So, dito makikita na natin if paano ba gumagana yung different features ng id, ego, superego na nagre-reflect sa ating personality. So, ayan yung example, ayan yung picture natin. So, masasabi natin it will be yung ating view sa self ay parang tip of iceberg. So, ayan yung conscious natin nasa taas. And yung unconscious ang pinaka mababa. So, ayan, this is the superego, superego, ego, and id. So, malalaman natin mamaya if ano yung pagkakaiba nila. But for now, we will have a short, parang understanding muna. Okay? So, sa structures of personality natin, for Freud, a person can be compared to an iceberg would look if you could see in its entirely. The things that can represent our unconscious awareness are simply the tip of iceberg. So, yung kanina, ayan. So, for Freud, we can describe ourselves. A person can be compared or can be described on tip of an iceberg, and the rest of the conscious awareness lies below the surface. So, yan. Sa surface, yung consciousness and yung unconscious ay nasa bottom. So, for Freud, personality is formed through conflicts among three fundamental structures of mind. So, the id, ego, and superego. Let's see. Dito may example na agad. So, yan. Id. I need to eat right this second. The ego, ayan. What can you notice? And the superego, you can't do that. Because you're in the middle of an important meeting. So, in that case, you will have an idea what's the difference between id, ego, and superego. But, later, malalaman natin, magkakaroon tayo ng deep discussions and understanding about the three. So, ayan. So, wait. Mayroong mga examples dito. So, ayan. So, the id and superego are both part of the unconscious. Unconscious thoughts, beliefs, and feelings can potentially cause a number of problems, including anger, bias, compulsive behaviors. That's difficult. It's a typo. Difficult social interactions, distress, and relationship problems. So, the id and superego are part of the unconscious. Ayan. Nakikita nyo naman, the superego at ayun ang id, part siya ng unconscious mind natin. Sa masasabi nating dinascribe ni Freud sa iceberg. So, for now, dun sa susunod nating mga lessons, meron dyang mga examples about id, ego, and superego. But for now, ito muna. Hanggang dito muna. So, ayan. Freud believed that many of our feelings, desires, and emotion are repressed or blocked or reserved or held out awareness because they are simply too threatening. So, of course, before pagkaroon tayo ng actions, we should have a decisions, thinking, and what we would, an assessment, of course. And the id, ego, and superego will also affect our behaviors, feelings, desires, and they are repressed, blocked, or reserved. And Freud believed that sometimes these hidden desires and wishes make themselves known through dreams and slips of tongue. So of course, when sometimes we wanted something and we want someone or something, minsan napapanaginipan natin. That's right. When it comes to sometimes I dream about someone or something that I really want, and it appears on my dreams or the slip ng tongue ko. For example, it's not my intention to say that I like it or I like you, but because of hidden desires and make myself known, I accidentally slips my tongue on a certain situations that I have a hidden desire or dream. So ayun ang ating lesson muna for today. So next yung example, so that meron muna tayong overview before the examples. So yan, ang psychological view of self natin is according to Sigmund Freud, and it is a personality through conflicts among three fundamental structures, the id, ego, and superego. So ayan yung ating iceberg na sinasabi ni Freud na dinedescribe or nililink tayo. Ayan, structures of personality. So, yan yung parang main example ng human mind natin. And the id and superego are both part of the unconscious. And yan, our desires, feelings are repressed, blocked, or reserved. And some hidden desires and wishes make themselves known through our dreams and slip of tongue. So ayan muna for today. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless, and see you sa next video. So kasunod lang talaga nito. Bye bye.